I really love this part of the scripture. This was when Jesus was asked to, help Lazarus, 'di ba?
Mm.
If I remember correctly, or if my Google here is giving me the right answer, Jesus went before he called out Lazarus, he actually prayed. No?
Mm.
Prayed. There and most people kay they miss this. They miss this part, which is very similar to manifesting.
Mm.
Ang iyang prayer was, Father, I thank you that you have heard me. I know that you always hear me, but I said this for the benefit of the people standing here, that they may believe that you sent me. After praying this, Jesus shouted in a loud voice, Lazarus, come out. This is in John 11:41 to 43. So, if you really look at the structure of the prayer, it's really Jesus trying to manifest, and you know this because
Yes.
I've always told you that Jesus is one of my favorite psalmists.
Magicians.
Psalmist, science of mind person-ish. So, na siya structure. Unsay yung una, unsay iyang gi ingon pag first. Katong Father, I thank you that
I thank you.
wala siya niingon, Father, please hear me. What does that tell you? It tells you that it already happened.
The
It's
pathway
one
is clear.
key. That's one key when you're doing manifestation, is you have to work with the noun.